How to withdraw funds from Exness. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged in. From your dashboard, tap on the withdraw button to start the process. Next, choose your preferred withdrawal method from the available options such as Binance Pay, Neteller, Skrill, or others. Make sure your KYC verification is completed before initiating a withdrawal. Select a method that is suitable and enter the amount you want to withdraw, ensuring it meets the minimum withdrawal requirement for your account type, and confirm your currency. Double-check all payments details to avoid any errors. Follow the on-screen instructions to process the withdrawal securely. Depending on your chosen method, funds may be credited instantly or take a few business days. Once the withdrawal is successful, you will see a confirmation message and the withdrawn amount will reflect in your chosen account. Now you know how to withdraw funds from Exness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.